What is up, everyone? Today, I'm revealing the secrets to making serious money, potentially up to $50,000 a month, using just your phone. Forget needing a fancy office or expensive equipment. Your smartphone is about to become your personal ATM. I've researched and tested the best strategies that require zero startup cash. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. These are real step-by-step methods. We'll break down 7 ways you can start earning online from anywhere in the world. All you need is your time, attention, and the device in your hand. Let's dive in. First up, freelancing. It's the fastest way to start making money today, straight from your phone. Apps like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with clients who need skills you already have: writing, design, video editing, social media, and more. Create a profile, list your services, and start getting paid for what you're good at. For example, offer to proofread documents, edit TikTok videos, or design logos using free apps like Canva. Set your price, deliver quality work, and build your reputation with 5-star reviews. Start small, then scale up by offering premium packages or faster delivery. Use your phone to respond instantly and manage orders on the go. You could be closing deals while waiting for coffee. Virtual assistant gigs are also in demand. Get paid to manage schedules or do online research. Don't underestimate your skills. There's a market for almost everything. Many freelancers started with $5 gigs and now make 6 figures, all from their phones. The key: deliver great work, communicate fast, and keep improving. After this video, challenge yourself to create a profile on Fiverr or Upwork. It's free, and it could launch your new career. Your phone is your office. Use it to your advantage. The opportunity is massive. Start with 1 gig, get those first reviews, and watch your income grow. You control your schedule and your earnings. Freelancing is the ultimate side hustle, or even a full-time business. Ready to get started? Method 2, online tutoring. If you can speak English or have a skill to share, you can get paid to teach from anywhere. Apps like Cambly and Preply let you earn money just by having conversations or teaching what you know. No teaching degree needed. Just log in, set your status to available, and start chatting. Get paid by the minute for helping people practice English or learn a new skill. Create a short intro video, set your hourly rate, and manage your schedule, all from your phone. Teach anything: languages, guitar, math, coding, even cooking. You can tutor while traveling between classes or from your couch. Be friendly and reliable. Students will keep coming back. Start with a lower rate to get reviews, then raise your price as demand grows. The demand for online tutors is exploding. You're not just earning, you're helping others reach their goals. All you need is a quiet space, internet, and your phone. You could start your first paid session today. Teaching online is flexible, rewarding, and accessible to anyone. Why not give it a try? Now let's talk passive income, selling digital products. Create something once, sell it forever. No inventory, no shipping, pure profit. Use your phone to make ebooks, online courses, photo presets, workout plans, or budget templates. Platforms like Gumroad and Teachable make it easy. Upload your product, set your price, and share your link. Design with Canva, film with your phone, edit with free apps, no studio needed. Authenticity sells. People want real advice from real people. Promote your product on social media, in Facebook groups, or on TikTok. Every sale is automatic income. This is how you build wealth online. Money coming in 24/7. Wake up to sales notifications from around the world. Digital products are the ultimate side hustle for creators. Start with what you know and turn it into a product today. Your knowledge is valuable. Share it and get paid. Next up, affiliate marketing. Get paid to recommend products you love. No need to create your own. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, get your unique links, and share them. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Use your phone to find products, generate links, and post on social media. Make TikToks, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram posts reviewing products. Put your affiliate link in your bio. Build an audience by providing real value and honest recommendations. Don't spam. Show how the product helps you. Use Linktree or beacons to organize your links. Track your clicks and earnings in real time. Start with one niche, then expand as you grow. Every piece of content with an affiliate link is passive income potential. A single video can earn you commissions for years. No investment needed, just your phone and your voice. Affiliate marketing is scalable and accessible to everyone. Start sharing what you love and get paid for it. Method 5, dropshipping. Build a full e-commerce business from your phone. No inventory needed. Use Shopify's mobile app to create your store, add products, and manage everything. When a customer buys, you order from a supplier who ships directly to them. Your profit is the difference. No need to handle products yourself. Find trending items on TikTok or AliExpress, import them to your store, and set your price. Make simple video ads with your phone and run them on social media. Fulfill orders with a tap. Shopify and dropshipping apps handle the rest. Focus on marketing and customer service, all from your phone. Start with one winning product, then expand as you grow. Shopify's drag-and-drop builder makes website creation easy, even on mobile. Analyze your sales and traffic in real time. Dropshipping is a real business you can run from anywhere. Build a brand, scale up, and enjoy the freedom of online entrepreneurship. Your phone is your headquarters. Ready to launch your store? Method 6. Content creation. Go viral and get paid as a YouTuber, TikToker, or Instagram creator. Your phone is all you need to film, edit, and upload. Platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels reward authentic vertical videos. Earn money through creator funds, ad revenue, and brand sponsorships. Build an audience, even a small one, and brands will pay for sponsored posts. Use your content to promote affiliate links or your own digital products. Pick a niche you love: gaming, cooking, fitness, anything. Consistency is key. Post daily, even short videos. Don't stress about fancy equipment. Your phone and a free editing app are enough. Focus on storytelling and personality over production value. Start today, film a quick video and post it. Every post is a chance to grow your audience and income. Content creation is the gateway to multiple income streams. Your passion can become your paycheck. The world is watching. Share your story. Don't wait for perfect, just start. Go viral, get paid, and have fun doing it. Last method, surveys and microtasks. The easiest way to make extra cash from your phone. Apps like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Amazon Mechanical Turk pay you for your opinions or simple tasks. Fill out surveys or complete microtasks like identifying images or transcribing audio. Do them while waiting in line or during downtime. Turn spare minutes into money. You won't get rich, but you can earn $50, $200 a month in your free time. Cash out via PayPal or gift cards. Be honest and consistent for the best results. Microtasks are about volume. Do lots of small jobs quickly. It's a great way to prove to yourself that making money online is real. No special skills needed, just your phone and a few minutes. Start earning today, no excuses. Every little bit adds up. There you have it, 7 proven ways to make money with just your phone. From freelancing and tutoring to dropshipping and content creation, the opportunities are endless. You don't need money to start, just take action. Pick one method and dive in today. Your phone is a powerful tool for building income and freedom. The only thing left is for you to start. Like, subscribe, and comment which method you'll try first. Now go turn your phone into a money-making machine.